Are you looking for hibachi or a Japanese steakhouse style dipping sauce? One that's spicy, sweet, creamy, delicious, pretty much goes on everything? Well, I've got the sauce for you. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a sweet and spicy, creamy, delicious dipping sauce. A yum yum sauce. Buckle up, let's go. Alright, so let's begin this dipping sauce recipe. It's quick, it's easy. Grab a bowl, grab a spoon. We'll start off with the mayonnaise. We're going to put in 1 cup or 250 milliliters. What is yum yum sauce? Well, it's a hibachi restaurant or Japanese steakhouse style dipping sauce. It's creamy, spicy, sweet, and delicious. It pretty much goes on anything and everything. Grab a little bit of ketchup. Your favorite ketchup will work. 1 tablespoon or 17 grams. And now for the crux move, or the hardest part of this yum yum sauce recipe. Melt some butter, 1 tablespoon or 10 grams, and dump it on in. Grab a little mirin, 1 tablespoon. This and the next item, the rice wine vinegar, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons. They both kind of add that Japanese style flavor to this delicious dipping sauce. Time to flavor it up with a little bit of onion powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder as well. For a little bit of heat, 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. Time for a little extra sweetness, granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon or 13 grams. For some additional heat, add a dash of Zana hot sauce. Check the description below for a discount code so you can buy some of this delicious hot sauce to add a little extra burn to your yum yum dipping sauce recipe. Now it's time just to mix it up. Make sure that you incorporate all the ingredients really well. To let you in on a little bit of a secret, a spoon works well for mixing, but a whisk, that's where it's at, my friends. It makes it smooth and delicious. So if you have a whisk, go ahead and whisk away. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Do share it with your friends. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and remember to, as always, to live, love, and make gravy.